Welcome. If you're looking to clean up your Instagram feed without unfollowing anyone, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to mute someone's posts on Instagram, so you can take control of what you see without anyone knowing. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Next, head to the profile of the person whose posts you want to mute. You can do this by searching for their username or by tapping on their name if you see them in your feed. Once you're on their profile, look just below their bio. You'll see a button labeled Following. Tap on this button. A menu will pop up with several options. From here, select Mute. This will bring up a new menu with toggles for different types of content. Now, you'll see options to mute posts, stories, or both. To mute their posts, simply toggle on the switch next to Posts. That's it. From now on, their posts will no longer appear in your feed, but you'll still be following them, and they won't be notified that you've muted them. If you ever change your mind and want to see their posts again, just repeat these steps and toggle the switch off. Their content will start showing up in your feed once more. Muting is a great way to keep your Instagram experience positive and tailored to your interests, without causing any awkwardness or unfollowing anyone. Remember, you can always adjust these settings at any time. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips on making the most out of your social media experience.